Here are a few quick suggestions for maximizing designer participation rate on your design contest. We suggest giving daily designer feedback for design entries. In addition, you may consider adding additional notes and files if your project has any incomplete information on the scope of your design contest. This article explains how to or what information you'll want to include for a full scope for a design contest, and this article explains how to add additional notes and files. To add additional notes and files, it's really easy. You just basically click the Edit Project button to add more information, or Manage Attachments to add additional attachments to your project. In addition, you could give feedback to all the designers in the comment section of the page. So this will send an update to any designer that is currently watching your design contest or that has entered a submission in your design contest. They'll automatically receive an email update saying that you posted a new note on the contest and say what that is. In addition, we recommend giving a star rating to any designs that you're interested in, and if a designer isn't producing work that you're interested in, we recommend declining that work, which won't encourage the designer to submit additional designs. So if you're interested in their work, give them a star rating. Typically 3 or higher shows some sort of interest in their work and will encourage them to submit an updated design. In addition to providing a star rating, we suggest either adding a note to the contest area where the user submits work. So how you do that is, if a guy has been submitting several designs to you, you just click the designer entries and you'll have a discussion page with this one designer and be able to see all their entries in one spot. Alternatively, you could send a private message by just clicking this drop down button and the message button, so that won't show up on your project page. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask us, and the more updates you post to the contest, the more discussions you post, the more quickly you follow up with designers, and the more explicit you are with your instructions, there'll be a strong impact in the positive for the number of entries you receive on your design contest. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Thanks a lot.